Hey guys, this is Cody over at Neil Huffman Acura. We're sitting inside an A-Spec RDX right now, and I just wanted to go over our touchpad interface here. As opposed to having a touch screen where you gotta look over and know where you're touching, this is actually much safer and easier to use, especially while driving. It's kind of like using a laptop where wherever you go, you just land on it and go ahead and click in, and then you can hit the home button and get right back to the front. Turn that down there. But you can also set up the screen multiple different ways and move things around like that. And what I like is when you're driving, they have these four corners that you can just easily touch without even looking over here. It makes things really easy and really safe when you're on the road, as opposed to a touch screen where you're looking over here, eyes off the road, and you're also dirtying up the screen. This prevents both those things from happening. And especially once you're really used to it, I mean, it moves like butter. So just wanted to show you that and go over it with you guys. Come in and see us, and we're happy to show you whatever you want. And Huffman has it.